Hi everyone, welcome to Art Tech. So what I have here today is a wireless charger for Samsung. It is an aluminum alloy foldable 3-in-1 wireless charging station. This one is designed for Samsung devices. You have 3 charging functions with this station. You can charge the phone, you can charge a Samsung watch, or you can charge wireless earbuds with it. Now the watch charging station is only designed for the Samsung Galaxy Watch. It'll work with the Watch Ultra 7, 6, 5, 4 Pro and the Classic. It will not work with Apple. It will not work with other brand watches. This one is specifically designed for Samsung watches. The phone charger as well as the earbud charger is a standard wireless charger, so it should work with other phones as well as earbud devices. It is a foldable charging station, so you can fold it up and take it with you on the go. Now this station does use a magnetic charging, which Samsung devices do not come standard with it, so you will need to make sure that you've got a magnetic phone case for your Samsung device in order to work with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and let's check the device out. So you do have a little instruction manual, and this is going to be a charger. As you see, it does come with a traveling case. Within the case, you've got your wall plug, a USB-C to C cable. You've got the actual device here, charging device, and they're giving you magnetic rings as well to put on the back of your phone in case you don't have a magnetic case already. So they do give you 2 in here, it looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and go back over this again. This is the contents of the box. You got your instruction manual, wall plug, you got a travel case, USB-C to C cable. You have 2 magnetic rings, and then you've got the actual 3-in-1 charger. So here is the shape of it. The top part is going to be where you place the phone. This bottom piece is where you're going to go ahead and place your earbud, and then you will just pop out the watch portion right here. Let's see how well this holds my Samsung phone. I do have a magnetic charging base on my case already. As you can see, it does hold it pretty well. It is nice and strong. It does have a really good grip to it. This is where you're going to put your Samsung watch. Is going to be here on the back, and if you have the earbuds, you will simply place the earbuds down below. And this is how the 3-in-1 charger will look when you have your devices attached to it. So let's go ahead and put the phone on here. As you can see, it is now wanting to charge. Let's go ahead and add the earbuds to it. And now the light on my earbuds did light up, so now the earbuds are charging. My watch is actually at 100% already, so it probably won't even do anything, but let's go ahead and add it anyways. Okay, and it actually, you can't see it, but it just flashed 100%, so there really is no charging on here because it's already fully charged, but all 3 devices do show some kind of a charging status to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and see just how heavy this is. I'm not sure how well you can see the screen, but it is showing up as 0.252 kilograms or 8.9 to 9 ounces, so it's really not that bad at all. It feels heavier than what it really is. Again, this is an all-metal construction, so it is going to be very durable. The bottom is nice. It's got a nice sticky feel to it, so I don't really expect it to easily slide on any kind of a smooth table. It's like this is a glass top right here, and the bottom surface has got a good grip to it. I mean, it's not really even moving. I am putting a lot of pressure on it to get it to move, so it does have a nice grip. The top charging part right here is also the same. Whatever this material is on the bottom is being used on the top as well. It is a very soft material. Using this, if this is directly against a phone, I would not expect it to do any kind of a damage to the surface of it because it is nice and smooth. It's got a nice protective feel to it. This is indeed a pretty nice charging station, 3-in-1 charging station, especially for those of you that travel a lot and want to carry as few items as possible with you. This does allow you to do free charging with just 1 single device and 1 single cable. It looks really nice. The finish on this is like a matte finish. This is definitely something that I wouldn't mind putting on my desktop and just leaving it there as well. It has a nice magnetic grip for the phone. I do not have any kind of a fear whatsoever of falling off. I can definitely pick the whole device up if I wanted to. Shake it around, see it is not coming off at all. So it's got a nice strong hold. So with my phone and my particular phone case, it has a great hold to it. I mean, it's not coming off. I'm shaking it pretty well, and my phone's not coming off at all. And it's not on here so hard that it can't peel it off either. Simply just hold the base down and it just pops right off without too much effort at all. And it's got a strong enough hold that you don't have to worry about your phone falling off of it. And again, the greatest thing is that when you're done, it does fold up nice and compact like. If you guys have any questions about this Samsung 3-in-1 wireless charger, please feel free to ask me in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day and y'all stay safe out there.